Hello everybody, I am Kimhab. Today I would like to show how to set up project Laravel 10 on Windows. So now we practice together. So on Windows I chose to use XAMPP. So XAMPP. Okay, click it. Okay. This is XAMPP for Windows, and you can click to check here for other version. This is the version that support page Laravel 10. At first, we need to check Laravel. Go to document. In the Laravel 10, it requires. Okay, we check PHP. PHP version for Laravel 10. Okay, this is the at least the PHP X.1. It is a minimum required for PHP Laravel 10. Here, next we go to XAMPP PHP version X.1. Okay, so now we choose PHP version here. Click download it and wait until it. Okay, now we click to save, store on desktop, and wait until it's complete. Download XAMPP is complete. Now we click choose yes. This is the warning of XAMPP. We click OK. I click next. You can choose any one that you don't want to install. About the peer. Okay. So now I choose all. About the Mary Mail, about the Tomcat, I don't use it. I uncheck it and next. So I chose the folder to put it. About the folder, I choose 3D. 3D, I choose okay. Now I click button window with ease. This is the folder I have used as XAMPP. So now I Ctrl+C+N to create folder. XAMPP 8.2.4. Okay, now I go to choose again. Okay, 3D. Okay, this folder. Click OK. Next. Okay, and wait until the XAMPP is complete. XAMPP is complete. Now, do you want to start control panel? No. Click finish. Then I go to this computers. Right click to choose. I click on property. You can search here environment. Click environment variable and choose path. Click edit. Here is the previous XAMPP I used. If you want to use XAMPP, you can configure it. and move it to the upper XAMPP. Now I go to folder try D to click this and go to PHP, Control C, okay, copy. Now we click no and paste it and move apps, okay, move apps, okay, okay. We search this to type cmd to check PHP version. Now the PHP version is 8.2.4. Next we go to download Composer. Okay, Composer. We click downloads. Click here. Save. Composer is complete. Now we click to install. I choose to install only for me. Next. Okay. Composer is intelligent to check the folder of PHP. Here you need to confirm that the PHP version is support or is in the right place of XAMPP that you have installed XAMPP previous about this is the version that I want to use XAMPP. Click next, install and wait. Composer is complete install. Composer, click cmd, Composer dash version. This is the Composer version. Now I go to Visual Code. You need to create, go to Drive. I chose to go to Programming. This is the folder that I chose. Okay. Laravel.10 property and other. Okay, I can Control C. Okay, now I choose Git Bash, or you can open with terminal. Go to Laravel and you need to search Composer. I chose to create Laravel with Composer. Okay, click it. Control C. Choose. About the exam app is the project. This is the project. So I choose it. Control C. I delete. Okay. About the exam app, it is the project app that we after we create Laravel. I choose name here, Laravel 10 property and other. Enter and wait until it creates and downloads Laravel 10. Now I create project Laravel 10 is successfully. Go to file and I zoom it. File add folder. I choose 3D, choose projects, choose programming, choose Laravel 10, add. Yes. Now we go to view, click, or you can use shortcut Ctrl C E. Okay. I right click to go to with terminal, PHP artisan, the dash port, okay, 8042. Go to browser, click 8042. Now we can create a Laravel 10 successfully. It is the Laravel 10 version that support. It is the Laravel 10 version. It is a PHP version. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question or you need to add more, you can drop comment below. Bye bye.